welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naki, and if you are new here, can you subscribe? In today's video, we are going to talk about DeepSeek. What is DeepSeek? Everybody is talking about DeepSeek. If you are in a tech world, you have already heard about DeepSeek. What is it? Let's look at what Google says. So according to Google, this an AI platform like the ChatGPTs, the Geminis, and other ones. And let's see if Wikipedia will give us a better answer of DeepSeek. Okay, so according to Wikipedia, it's saying DeepSeek is a Chinese artificial intelligence lab which develops open source large language models. DeepSeek is founded in a large part of China, hedge fund, high flyer, and other stuff. So these are all information that you can have about DeepSeek. What does it do? We already know about ChatGPT. You know what it does. AI model. We can ask questions. You can, if you want to do anything online, you can type it into ChatGPT, then you get your answer. The same thing applies to DeepSeek. DeepSeek works similar way as ChatGPT, but others are saying DeepSeek is more advanced than GPT or other stuffs. But today our focus is going to be how we can set up DeepSeek to start using it. So first of all, let's go to the DeepSeek website, www.deepseek.com. This is the first interface that you get. See, start now, get the DeepSeek app. So if you want like an app friendly, you want to download the app on your mobile device, you can get it straight from here. You scan the QR code, then you are good to go. We are going to start now. It will send us to chat.deepseek.com, and it will ask us to create a new account, or if you already have an account, we can sign. I'm going to use Google to log in for this time, so click on login with Google. Okay, give it some time to check, verify. Alright, verification successful. So now it will prompt us to choose the Google account that we want to use to set up this account. So if you already have, if you have only one account, you are good to go. But I'm going to choose this account for learning. So click on that account. Yes, do you want to sign in with this your account to DeepSeek? They will have some information about your profile, other preference. Yes, continue. Alright, so this is it. So you can see if you compare this to ChatGPT, it's kind of have similar interface. Your username is here. If I open ChatGPT on other side, you can see have same layout. You can see but your profile in GPT is on your top right corner, but when we check DeepSeek, is at the bottom, that the left corner side. Okay, so now how do you want to ask DeepSeek? You can ask anything. Let's say we just type who are you. Let's see the answer that we get. Okay, so I am DeepSeek version 3, an artificial intelligence assistant created by the company called DeepSeek. I'm at your service and would like to delighted to and would be delighted to assist you with any inquiries or tasks you have. So anything you have, anything you want to ask GPT, you can ask DeepSeek, then you get your answer. So let's say who is the president of America now? Who is the president of USA now? Let's see the answer we get. If you get Donald Trump, it means the version. Okay, we are getting Joe Biden, so we can see that the platform is not up to date. So it says according to the last update, that's October 2020, the president of the United States is Joe Biden, but we all know that Donald Trump is now the president, so this platform is not up to date, but at least has given us the previous government, or the head of the previous government, that's Joe Biden. Let's see who's the president of Russia, or let's just type Russia president. Okay, so I made a spelling mistake in the president, but it has been able to correct it and says up to October 2023, Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia. So you can say anything that you want to add GPT. If you're a tech tool, you can say I want to learn let's say I want to learn SQL. Let's see, it can give you a draft like the step by step how to go through when to start or where to start learning SQL. So it gives us the definition of SQL, some concepts like the query, the database, tables, give you all this count by, sum, average, order by. All these are database um, statement that we can use. So we can even use this to learn SQL without going to YouTube or other platforms to watch tutorials. It is very, very good at giving us how to do inserts, how to select from a table, and other stuff. So anything that you ask this platform, you get your answer. Okay, so this is how you can set up DeepSeek and start using it right now. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.